The data the entire world is watching revolves around COVID-19 vaccines. With only 2% of Canadians vaccinated, the Trudeau government is turning to a fund intended to help developing countries. Canada will get 1.9 million doses of the not yet approved AstraZeneca by the end of June from COVAX, a pooled fund that also aims to provide 1.3 billion doses to 92 developing nations. Canada is the only G7 country to dip into that supply. CTV senior political correspondent Glenn McGregor has the details.
Canada's new supply of AstraZeneca vaccine is coming from an unusual source, the COVAX facility, an international initiative to fund vaccination in poorer countries and for wealthier nations to bulk buy.
It shows that the mechanism is working because it has procured doses for both self-financing countries and those that are going to receive them through donations.
The Prime Minister made much of Canada's humanitarian contribution to the fund last year.
Vaccines can't just be there for the wealthiest countries. They need to be there for all countries.
Half of the government's $440 million contribution was earmarked for vaccines to be used in Canada. But so far, it's the only member of the G7 electing to draw on its COVAX allotment. The first list of recipients includes mostly developing nations.
If the vaccines that Canada is procuring from COVAX are going to be used to vaccinate low-risk people here as opposed to high-risk people in other countries, I think that's an indefensible position.
Health Canada has yet to approve the AstraZeneca shot and will decide in coming weeks.
All right, you'll feel a little pull.
Canada's vaccination rate has fallen to 34th in the world, and there are new concerns about the next delivery of Moderna doses.
Can the Prime Minister tell Canadians if he's expecting a reduced or zero shipment from Moderna on the week of February 22nd?
We are continuing to expect shipments from Moderna this week and in the weeks to come. We will continue to advise the provinces as soon as we get concrete numbers on different deliveries.
That uncertainty is frustrating the provinces and complicating their vaccination schedules. But the federal government insists that their longer-term target, everyone vaccinated by the end of September, remains on track. Lisa.
All right, Glenn McGregor in Ottawa tonight.